Hi, I'm Zoë Schlanger. I wrote The Light Eaters. It's a book about the world of plant intelligence research and the scientists who are completely reshaping the way we think about the green life in our world. It turns out plants aren't passive, leafy background. Some can count, some can hear, some can remember, and none of them are doing it with a brain, which completely explodes our notion of what it means to be a clever creature. I spent years following botanists into forests and labs and chasing this question of what if plants are not only alive, but aware? What if they're sensing, understanding, responding, making spontaneous choices to better thrive in their world? The Light Eaters is part science, it's part travelogue, and it's a total love letter to the green world that makes all of our lives possible.